Just because you travel differently doesn't mean that your road was less traveled. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So you have to realize that you should never change for people, and you should never manufacture yourself, mold yourself to fit what you think other people view as a successful person, or view as a nice person, or view generally as the cool person. You have to stick to your own grounds. Just because your life looks completely different to somebody else doesn't mean that it's less valid. Life presents us with so many different paths. You may take the longest time to achieve something that somebody does in just a couple of days. It doesn't mean that you're less. It may take you years to even get to a point where someone got to in just a few days. Just because you got there in a few days, it doesn't mean that your route was less significant than somebody that's taken ages. Or the same way, just because it's taken you years to get to somewhere, it doesn't mean that you're less worthy than someone that's done it in a couple of days. For example, if you're currently doing your exams, you find that there's some people that study months ahead, people that are so prepared, over prepared, and they do the exam and then they fail it. And then you get people that studied literally the night before and they ace the exam. Those two people have different paths. Those two people have figured out working in a way that works for them. So the same thing can be applied in business, in personal lives, in relationships. Sometimes it takes some people may meet their partners in high school, get married, and never have to go through that whole dating phase where you're getting to know different people and you feel like marriage is for you. Some people get married really young at 19, some people get married at 45, some people just never get married at all. It doesn't mean that your journey is less valuable than somebody that's gotten there quickly, as long as you're not taking shortcuts. Everyone is blessed in different ways. Everyone's journey is different. Maybe it's taking you longer than the next person because you're learning other attributes along the way. Maybe you're learning patience that you never know you may have to apply later in life when you have children. Maybe you're getting things so quickly, but you never know what the other side holds. You don't know what somebody's doing. You don't know, maybe that person that seems to have gotten their vision, their dream so fast, maybe they've worked day in, day out, but you don't get to see that side because they don't show you that side. To the naked eye, it looks like they always get what they want, but you don't know the hard work and the sacrifices that people make to get to where they need to get to. You may just be, maybe you're more of a perfectionist. Maybe that person just jumps in and take risks. So just because your road is different, just because it's taking you less time to get to somewhere, it doesn't mean that you didn't sweat. It doesn't mean that you didn't put your all into it. Your road was different. Some people take the scenic route, some people just want to get there straight away. So it depends. Your life is different. Make sure that you're living your life for you, you're owning your story, and don't be discouraged by how long or how quickly it takes you to become the best version of yourself, by how long it takes you to build your business, by how long it takes you to even pass an exam such as a driving test. As long as you get to the end, as long as you finish, as long as you add value to your life, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter how many times you've tried. It doesn't matter how the next person never seems to fail. You can't be envious. Everyone's journey in life is different, okay? Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.